Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix Epic Games you are visiting frequently problem. If it is showing you this, then the main reason it could be that Epic Games server are down. Because sometimes Epic Games server goes down due to fixing their issues in their server. To check if they are down or not, just search for Epic Games down detector. Once you search for this, it'll show you Epic Games Store down detector. Click on it. This website will show you if it is down. It says user report indicates no current problem, which means Epic Games servers are not down. But when it's down, it's going to show you user report indicates current problem at Epic Games. When it shows you that, that means Epic Games server are facing a problem. The only thing you can do is wait until they fix it. But let's say Epic Games servers are not down and you're still facing this issue. In that case, the most easiest way to fix it is download a VPN, connect to a random country, try to log in into your account, and a problem should be fixed. So that is the only way you guys can fix this issue. Hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.